5, 6, 7, 8.
When we were in 7th grade, you knew every crush of mine. We'd always talk online. And now that we're all grown up, you've disappeared for a while. I wish that I knew why. I think it's been about 6 months. Did you forget about our plans to see each other soon? 'Cause I was flying out just to see you in the middle of December. We'll drive your Mercedes down the beaches in Miami, getting drunk at Disney. But some friendships don't stay the same.
We haven't talked that much since June. I'm afraid that I lost you. I hate we grew apart and never said goodbye. Maybe we both just needed space, maybe a different time and place. What if we could just rewind? I think it's been about 6 months.
Did you forget about our plans to see each other soon? 'Cause I was flying out just to see you in the middle of December. We'll drive your Mercedes down the beaches in Miami, getting drunk at Disney. But some friendships don't stay the same.
Some friendships
Don't stay the same.
talk to you. Left behind, condemned not to see you. 'Cause she's got cold heart, bleeding slow. promises and tears you cried. Oh, you drunken power, what kind of chance I have with you? No longer see who you are, and the nights are full of danger. 'Cause she got cold heart, beating slow. Cold heart, one day you'll know. She's got that cold heart, beating slow. How many rays of sunshine have danced through the state of Maine? How many days of summer did I spend running through the rain, chasing after children with a furrowed brow and the sourest of moons? And the tear stains on their faces trace the lines that mark my own. I tried so hard to tell them all the things I've come to know, but when you're just as lost and restless, then what the hell's a boy supposed to do? That was the day I came of age, eyes wide with shock, fists clenched with rage, forced out of my false Eden without having heard a word of sage advice. Why must these dreams we forge at night dissolve in the daylight? These dreams we forge at night dissolve in the daylight. A doe-eyed beauty walked across the room, all I could do was stare. She ruled it with an iron fist, lit it with her golden hair, and she left me all but speechless, robbed me of the words to make a sentence. And when they pulled me outside, oh how they were mistaken, from words misunderstood and from actions not yet taken. They had deemed me lost and reckless, and a plane ticket home was my repentance. Well, that was the day I came of age, eyes wide with shock, fists clenched with rage, forced out of that false Eden without having heard a word of sage advice.